Hello dear students, welcome back to the session. So we were discussing the applications of what? Dimensions, in which first application of dimensions is to check the correctness of given equation. Already some equations are existing in physics. We have to check whether those equations are dimensionally correct or incorrect. To check the correctness of given equation, we are using the principle of homogeneity. In the last session or the last video, I have given entire or complete explanation of what? The principle of homogeneity. Based on principle of homogeneity, we are checking the correctness of a given equation. So let me go for the first application here, application of dimensions. It is also called dimensional analysis. Applications of dimensions is also called dimensional analysis. I will consider the first application of dimensions, that is to check correctness of an equation. Some equations will be given here. We have to check whether those equations are dimensionally correct or incorrect. I will take the first example here. Take down the example number 1. Example 1. Check the correctness of an equation v is equals to u plus at. I have an equation v is equals to u plus at. We have to check whether this equation is dimensionally correct or incorrect. As I said you, to check the correctness of a given equation, what? We are using principle of homogeneity here. According to principle of homogeneity, all the terms in a given equation should have the same dimensions. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ then such a type of equation is said to be dimensionally correct here. So let me consider the given equation here. Let me consider the given equation. V is equals to what? U plus at. How many terms I have here? 3 terms. This is first term, that is v. This is second term, that is u. This is third term, that is at. First term is v, second term is u, third term is what? At. So according to principle of homogeneity, first term, second term and third term should have the same dimensions. If these 3 terms have the same dimensions, then the equation v is equals to u plus at is considered as dimensionally correct equation. So let me consider first term here. Find the dimensional formula of first term. Find the dimensional formula of second term. Find the dimensional formula of what? Third term. Suppose if all the terms have same dimensions, then the given equation is correct. Okay, what is the first term here? The first term is v. This v is generally called final velocity here. I guess you know this famous equation of motion. V is called final velocity, or simply it is a velocity. And u is called initial velocity. Of course, the initial velocity or final velocity, v as well as u both are velocities here. V ಮತ್ತೆ u ಎರಡು velocities ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. V is final velocity and u is initial velocity. What is a here? A is called acceleration and a t is called what? The time here. What is v? V is final velocity. V is final velocity. So whether it is final velocity or initial velocity, the v is simply it is a velocity here. What is the formula for velocity? Velocity can be calculated by using the formula displacement by time. The velocity is given by displacement by time. So displacement is nothing but what? Length. Displacement is nothing but length here. Therefore the dimensional formula for length is square bracket of L. Okay? Divided by time. What is the dimensional formula for time? Square bracket of t. Take this t to the numerator. Take this t to the numerator. It will become t power minus 1. Therefore what I can write now? M power 0, L power 1, t power minus 1. What it is? It is the dimensional formula of what? First term in the equation. This is the dimensional formula for first term in the equation. I will call this as equation number 1. Now consider second term here. Which is second term? The second term is u. U is called which velocity? Initial velocity. Initial velocity. Once again, whether it is initial velocity or final velocity, it is a velocity. Therefore, the formula is what? Once again, displacement by time here. Displacement by time. So, if you find the dimensional formula, once again you will get the same, that is m0 L1 t power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for what? Second term in the equation. Now I will go for the third term. Which is the third term here? At is called third term. At is called third term. A into t. It is a third term. A stands for what? Acceleration. Acceleration. T stands for what? It is a time. So, At is acceleration into time here. Okay. Now substitute the dimensional formula for acceleration. What is the dimensional formula for acceleration? m1 L1 t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. Multiplied by time t. Therefore, the dimensional formula for time is t power 1. Simplify here. At equals to m0. It is L1 t power minus 2, here t power plus 1. Estaಗುತ್ತೆ total? T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for third term in the equation. What is the dimensional formula for first term? V m0 L1 t power minus 1. What is the dimensional formula for second term? That is u m0 L1 t power minus 1. What is the dimensional formula for third term? That is At. At is nothing but acceleration into time. What is the dimensional formula? Once again, m0 L1 t power minus 1. What is the conclusion? All the terms in this equation have same dimensional formula. Same dimensional formula. Therefore, this equation is correct. Then what is the conclusion? You can write the conclusion of our discussion here. All the terms in equation v is equals to u plus at have same dimensions. Therefore, this equation is correct. This equation is correct equation. So this is how we are going to check the correctness of a given equation with the help of what? Dimension. So this is called the first application of what? Dimensions to check the correctness of a equation. Okay, you can concentrate here. Note down how we have checked the correctness of a given equation. I will take one more example so that we will overcome from all the doubts here. Okay, shall I go for the next example? Okay, take down the next example. That is example 2. Check the correctness of an equation. Next is v square equals to u square. Check the correctness of an equation. V square equals to u square plus 2as. The next equation given here is v square is equals to what? U square plus 2as. Once again, what is v here? Velocity. What is u? U is also velocity here. The difference is v is final velocity and u is initial velocity. 2 as it is. What is a? Acceleration. What is s here? S is called displacement or else distance traveled by a body. S is a distance here. S is a distance. A is acceleration. U is velocity. V is also velocity. How many terms I have? Once again I have 3 terms. First term is v square. Second term is u square. Third term is 2as. V square, u square, 2as. What is the condition? All the terms should have the same dimensions. V square dimension, u square dimension and 2as dimension should be same, then the equation is correct. Now I will consider one by one. V square. What is v square? What is v square? V square is velocity square. V square is nothing but velocity square. Directly you can substitute the dimensional formula for velocity here, or else you can go for a displacement by time taken. Simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Displacement by time taken. ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ directly velocity ದು dimensional formula substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. What is the dimensional formula for velocity? m0 L1 t power minus 1. It's a square. Okay. Here, simplification. Here, powers should be multiplied. ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. A power m whole to the power n should be equals to a power m into n. This is the rule. A power m whole to the power n should be equals to a to the power m into n. And whatever the powers we have, these powers should be multiplied by 2 here. M to the power 0 whole square, L to the power 1 square, T to the power minus 1 square. What it is? M to the power 0 square. 0 into 2 is 0. M power 0. L power 1 square. 1 into 2, 2. That is L square. T to the power minus 1 is whole square. T to the power minus 2. Correct? This is the dimensional formula for what? First term. Second term, that is u square. As I said u square is also the velocity square. U square is once again it is velocity square. Already we determined here. Final result I can write, that is m0 what? L2 t power minus 2. This I will call as equation number 2. Now come to the third term. V square completed, u square completed. Now the third term. Which is the third term here? 2as. 2as. What is 2as here? 2 into, what is a? A is acceleration. S is distance or displacement. Distance or displacement. Very interesting here. Numbers are dimensionless. Numbers are dimensionless. What is the meaning of numbers are dimensionless? M0, L0, T0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ M0, L0, T0 ಹಾಕೋತೀರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. M0, L0, T0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 1. isn't it? M0, anything to the power 0 is 1. Therefore 2 is dimensionless. That is, its dimension can be written as M0, L0, T0. Therefore, in the place of 2, I can write M0, L0, T0. Or else 2 is dimensionless here. Directly you can neglect. You can neglect because 2 ge dimensions illa. Numbers ge dimensions iralla. Number ge dimensions iralla ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಯಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾವು? Those numbers will call it as a dimensional constants. Planck's constant is a number. It has dimensions. Gravitational constant is a number. It has dimensions. Next what? Stephen's constant, Boltzmann constant. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಲೆಸ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 2 ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನನಗೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ multiplied by distance. What is the dimensional formula for acceleration? M0 L1 t power minus 2 multiplied by distance. What is the dimensional formula for distance? It is L power 1. Therefore, what is the answer? M0 L power 1 into L power 1. How much it is? L power 2 t power minus 2. Okay? It is a dimensional formula for what? 2as. I will call this as equation number 3. Concentrate here. V square is a first term. Its dimension is M0 L2 t power minus 2. Okay? U square is a second term. Its dimension is M0 L2 t power minus 2. 2as is a third term. Its dimensions is M0 L2 t power minus 2. 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 What it is? All the terms in this equation have the same dimensions. Hence, this equation is a correct equation. So, what is the result here? What is the result? All the terms in V square plus U square, V square is equals to U square plus 2as, have same dimensions. Therefore, this equation is correct. This equation is correct. So this is how you are going to check the correctness of what? The given equation. Just you watch the steps. I will come with what? One more example. Okay.